everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Shabnam Gurung.
Today I am presenting the topic activity based costing. So let's begin. So before we understanding the concept of activity based costing, let us understand the traditional costing methods, means how we are allocating or charging the overheads to the end product under traditional costing method. So this slides presents what happens under traditional costing. So as we all know, there are two types of cost, direct cost and indirect cost. Direct costs are directly charged to the end product because these are the costs which can be easily identified, easily allocated and easily charged to a particular cost object or cost center. Problems lies with indirect cost because we can't easily identify it, we can't easily allocate it. So all the accounting treatment should be done only for the overheads. So let's begin. So indirect costs are need to allocate to the end product by following suitable basis of allocation. So this is our first step under accounting of overheads. Indirect costs are charged to production and service department on some equitable basis. The whole procedure of charging overheads to production and service departments are known as primary distribution. After primary distribution, next comes to secondary distribution of overheads. Under this, we charge the cost of service department to the production department, making service department expenses nil. Now at the last stage, allocating the indirect cost of production department to the end product, and it is known as absorption of overheads. So these are the stages which we are following under traditional costing methods. So what is traditional costing approach? Let's understand with the help of these following diagrams. So resources, all resources will be allocated to the object, and these objects are product or service. Under traditional costing approach, we are allocating and we will allocate this resources to the product or services on some allocation basis. Here the activity based costing is an upcoming and more refined approach for charging indirect cost to product or computing more accurate product costs. So let's understand the meaning of activity based costing. So activity based costing is an accounting methodology that assigns cost to activities rather than the product or services. So under ABC, we are assigning the cost to activities rather than the product or services. ABC enable resources and develop cost to a more accurate assigned to product and the services that consumes it. Means all the product or services which consume these activity, or we can say which enjoys the benefits of this activity, all this cost are charged to particular product or services. So let's understand the definition of activity based costing. So ABC is a new and scientific approach by Cooper and Kalpin in 1988. So according to them, ABC system calculate the cost of individual activities and assign cost to cost objects such as product or services on the basis of activity undertaken to produce each product or services. So what happens under ABC system? It focuses on activity, individual activity rather than the whole product and services. So how we are charging this cost to each product or services. We are charging this cost by the activities undertaken by this individual cost objects. So let's understand this definition or this concept with the help of this diagram. So objects, its product or services. So every object or product or services consumes activity. Activity here means what is actually being done in the organization to produce that particular product or services. And each activity here consumes resources. Resources include all our financial resources, all factors of production. So everything that lies in the organization, it's land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. So resources that it is utilizing. And what happens? Object consumes activity. And how we are going to trace this? We are going to trace this by resource drivers. And every activity consumes resources. And how we are going to calculate it? So we are tracing this by activity drivers. As we are having overhead rate under traditional costing method approach, in the same way we are having activity based costing formula, and the formula is cost pool in the total divided by cost drivers. So in the next upcoming videos we are going to see what is cost pool and what is cost driver. So stay with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is so, hit the like button. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more notification of my videos. Thank you so much.